Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing an MST intake into our 440i B58 motor. Let's get to it. So a huge shout out to MST for sending me the intake. I'm so excited to install it. Thank you so much guys. If you want to order one for your car, click the link in the description and I'm sure you can find one. Let them know that you saw this video, or go to Kies Motorsports and you can find the MST intake from them as well for your BMW. All right, so let's get to it. I'm gonna look like a complete dork because I have this thing strapped around my chest, but I want to give you the full experience of building out this intake. We're gonna build it, install it, and take a few things apart. Hopefully you can see what I am removing right here, so it's gonna be really great, right? So let's get to it. All right, so what we're gonna be using is actually a 6mm to take off this clamp. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, cool. So what we're gonna do is just kind of do one of these things and just wiggle it out. That's basically all you really have to do to these things. So it's the inlet, right? It goes to that. So wiggle it out, there you go. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is remove the connector, which is the MAP sensor that's connected to the air box. So with that, you're gonna be using a T20. So we have our T20 right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I like putting my hand underneath it because these screws, if they fall, well, it ain't gonna be pretty. And the engine is kind of warm because I had to start it. So yeah, we're gonna just do that. Oh, actually, you know what? Before I do that, sorry guys, I do wanna just put it right there. You know what? I've learned something. Never put screws on the engine bay because they tend to fall off. And the last thing you want is a screw down here because honestly, the B58 engine, I mean, gosh, it's just so hard to like find something in there because it's so there. So you go. We got the MAF off. Now that we got that off, using a T20 screw, we're gonna be removing this other screw. Here it is, the MAP sensor. Yeah, you know, I made a video on cleaning the MAP sensor, so we're gonna put this somewhere safe. So there isn't really anything holding the airbox, it's just consisting of tugging, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Yep, there's one. There's another one down here somewhere. Yep. Yeah, and it just comes off like that, guys. And there it is. Airbox out. So I'm gonna keep this somewhere safe because, you know, you never know when you wanna go back to this. So let's put this somewhere safe, guys. That gives us a lot of room to work with here now, right? So up next, we're gonna be removing this inlet down here somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see it, get a better view, but it's gonna be right there. Let me see if I can get a good look. So it's actually right, that's right here. Yeah, it's right there. You see what I'm hitting? That's where we have to get. That holds the inlet to that other compartment. So let's get there. See if I can reach down there and get it. All right, so it looks like we're gonna be using a 932 size millimeter, whatever that is. Yeah, because apparently it's not a 6mm like this one over here. They're actually different sizes, which is kind of interesting, right? So the top one is a 7, the one down there is a 932 bolt. So that's the one that fits nice and snug, I hope. Yeah. All right, so we loosened that thing up. My gosh, thanks BMW for just doing that. So what we're gonna do is loosen it out and get it out of here. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, this one right here, different bolts, which sucks, right? So thanks BMW for doing that. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Not. Cool, we got the inlet out. And now we have room, look at that. Sick.